Dear students, a hearty welcome to you all. Students, as you are all aware of various types of planning, that is strategic planning, tactical planning and operational planning, and sometimes contingency planning also. In strategical planning, the planning is being done by the top management for the overall organization, like envisioning the organization, making strategies for expansion, and at times for making counter strategies for competitors. So, as the business is done on global scale today, there are many challenges that businesses see in the form of changes in their business environment. The business environment is more dynamic these days. So there is a need to meet the challenges posed by the changing environment, and for attaining this, the field of management which is related to preparing of strategies and their implementation is known as strategic management. So students, today we have an overview of strategic management in present session. The contents covered are meaning of strategic management, the importance and the process of strategic management. So let's begin. So what is a strategy? A strategy is defined as a general direction set for the organization and its various components to achieve the desired state in future. That means where we are currently now and where we want to reach. The strategy takes us to our destination, our desired destination. Strategy results from the detailed strategic planning process. So there is a whole process for making strategies, making them happen in reality. A strategy of a business organization is a comprehensive master plan stating how the organization will achieve its mission, its objectives. It maximizes competitive advantage and minimizes competitive disadvantage. Strategic management involves developing, implementing strategic plans to help organization to achieve their various goals and objectives, specifically for the long term. Strategic management is the process of defining and implementing procedures and objectives that set an organization apart from its competition or ahead from its competitors. So, why strategic management is important? Because it sets direction for the organization to achieve its vision. Strategic management is an important process that guides a company to move in a specific direction. It involves defining the organizational goals and fixing realistic objectives that are in alignment with its vision. Making organization proactive in responding to competitors' strategy. Though the through strategic management, a firm can become proactive, not reactive, by analyzing the actions of its competitors and taking necessary steps to compete in the market instead of just becoming a spectator. It helps in taking informed decisions that are in line with the organization's overall strategy. The strategic management process acts as a foundation for all key decisions of the firm. By having a clear direction and goals in place, the organization can make informed decisions that are in line with its overall strategy. Preparing organization for future challenges and plays the role of a pioneer in exploring opportunities. The strategic management attempts to prepare the organization for future challenges and plays an important role in finding opportunities and grabbing those opportunities, converting them in business. It helps in identifying ways to how to reach those opportunities which can lead to the growth and success of the organization. Ensuring the long-term survival of the organization while coping with the competition and surviving the dynamic environment. As we have already mentioned, these days the business environment is very dynamic. Many changes takes place in the field of technology, in the field of economic policies. So The strategic management ensures the long-term survival of the firm or the business while coping with the competition and surviving the dynamic environment, the changes that are there in the form of competitors' strategies. It provides a framework for decision making that allows the organization to adapt and thrive in changing circumstances. So, coping up with changes is aided by proper strategic management of managing those changes. Assisting in the development of core competencies and competitive advantage, which are very useful for the survival and growth of business. So, finally, strategic management also assists in the development of core competencies, making the business or the company or the organization having a competitive edge over the competitors, and this is very essential for the survival and growth of the business. Let us see the process of strategic management. Strategic management consists of 4 basic steps: environmental scanning, strategy formulation, strategy implementation, and strategy evaluation. Let us see these steps in somewhat detail. What is environmental scanning? So, it is the monitoring, evaluating and disseminating of information from the external and internal environments to the top management. So, the people working with the top management always scan the business environment to see what changes are there and getting the information from there and judging the information whether it is there in the external environment or in the internal environment, and judge that information or compare that information in the form of strength and weaknesses, so as to know what are the opportunities that the business organization can grab during the scanning of these changes. So, the purpose is to identify the factors, whether belonging to the external or to the internal environment, that will determine the future of the organization. This can be achieved through tools like SWOT analysis, strength, weaknesses, opportunities or threats, and PESTLE tool, that is political, economic, socio-cultural, technological, legal and environmental factor analysis. The next step is strategy formulation. So, after having an idea of the opportunities or challenges in the environment of the business, the strategic management goes for making strategy. Strategic management is all about seizing opportunities and overcoming challenges. It involves creating a long-term plan that takes into account the company's or the organization's strength, weaknesses, and it sets the goals that are realistic to guide the decision making in future course. By analyzing the environment, managers can create strategies that ensures the success at different levels of organization or various stages of organizational growth. These strategies include organizational strategies, business strategies, or functional plans that are tailored to meet the specific needs of the organization. The third process in the strategic management is, the third step in the strategic management process is strategy implementation. So, it is the process by which strategies and policies are put into action through the development of programs, budgets and procedures. This process may involve changes within the overall culture, structure and or management system of the entire organization. Sometimes it may also be referred to operational planning when the strategy implementation is done at the day-to-day level of business decision making or resource allocation. The last step in the strategic management process is evaluation and control. So, it is the process in which corporate activities or business activities and performance results are monitored so that actual performances can be compared with the desired performance. It involves managers at all levels and they use the resulting information to take corrective action and resolve problems encountered during the process. Although this is the final stage, it can also indicate weaknesses in other stages. that stimulate the entire process to start all over again. So it is a useful step. The evaluation and control stage is very useful in finding out the weaknesses, the gaps that were there in implementing the other stages of the process. This means that a good and effective process of strategic management must have room for feedback to ensure that such changes, such weaknesses can be detected, and then corrective actions can be taken. So, to conclude, strategic management is the process by which top management determines the long term direction of the organization by ensuring the careful formulation, implementation, and continuous monitoring and evaluation of strategies. It lays the foundation for strategic decision making. Thank you.